Jamal stands tall before the ThinkSprout Nature Center, the gateway to a world of discovery. He takes a moment to adjust his bright orange polo shirt, smoothing down his curly black afro as a sudden playful gust of wind ruffles his khaki shorts. Beside him, his loyal companion Sunny, the golden retriever, tilts his head in curiosity. Sunny's ears flop rhythmically as autumn leaves swirl around their light blue sneakers. Jamal looks toward the horizon, noticing the shifting shades of gray against the blue. "Why does the weather keep changing?" he asks, his voice filled with genuine wonder. Just then, the ThinkSprout guide steps forward with a wide, welcoming smile. "Let us become weather detectives," he declares, sparking the start of their grand adventure. The sky transforms into a brilliant, piercing blue as the sun beats down with radiant energy. Jamal closes his eyes, lifting his face to catch every drop of warmth. The guide explains that the sun acts like a giant heater for our entire planet, fueling every change we see. Suddenly, the stillness breaks. The trees begin to sway in a rhythmic, leafy dance. Jamal reaches out his hands, trying to catch the invisible breeze. Where does the wind come from? He wonders aloud. The guide points toward the soil beneath their feet. He explains how the sun heats the earth unevenly. This creates a hidden tug-of-war in the sky, causing the air to shift, rise, and dance across the landscape as the wind we feel on our skin. High above their heads, delicate white wisps begin to gather like pulled sugar. The guide gestures upward, explaining how invisible water vapor cools and clings together to form these soft, floating clouds. They watch as the atmosphere works its magic, turning the invisible into the visible. But the beauty holds a warning. Slowly, the fluffy white shapes begin to thicken and merge. The light fades as the clouds shift from a gentle white to a heavy charcoal gray. The air grows heavy with the scent of coming moisture. Jamal and Sunny watch the sky, realizing that the gentle giants above are changing their mood, preparing to release the energy they have gathered from the sun and the wind. The first raindrops begin to tap against the pavement like a drummer starting a beat. Within seconds, the sky opens up. "Run, Sunny!" Jamal cries out. They dash toward a nearby wooden gazebo, huddling safely under the sturdy roof as the downpour intensifies. Jamal shakes a stray droplet off his sleeve and laughs, his eyes bright. "Good thing we watched those clouds," he says, feeling the thrill of the storm. The guide uses this moment to pull out his specialized equipment, a thermometer, a rain gauge, and a bright windsock. He shows Jamal how meteorologists use these tools to track the invisible shifts in the atmosphere. By measuring the temperature and the rain, the invisible becomes a story we can read. They stand together, watching the rain taper off into a soft mist as the storm passes. A brilliant rainbow arches across the sky as the sun bursts through the clouds, painting the wet grass in shimmering gold. Jamal beams, his dark eyes wide with wonder at the transformation. "Weather changes so much," he exclaims, finally understanding the pattern. The guide kneels down to his level, speaking with pride. "You have the tools now. Observe the sky, track the temperature, and see the patterns." Jamal steps back into the warm sunlight, Sunny bounding ahead into the meadow. As the last clouds drift away, they run toward the horizon, ready to watch the world change. The guide waves a final goodbye. "Fantastic work, Sprouts. Keep observing, keep exploring, and keep growing."